Are you having trouble reassembling your Sig P365? Well, today in the Modern Defender, I'm going to show you the quick and easy solution to that problem. Stick around. But before I do that, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. So the first thing we're going to do is show the gun is clear and safe. You always want to make sure your gun is completely unloaded before you attempt to disassemble. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lock the slide back. Okay, again, it's clear and safe. We're going to take the disassembly lever and we're going to push it straight down, okay? So you want that going straight up and straight down. We're going to release the slide, and that slide is just going to come right off the frame. Now here's where some folks are having trouble with the reassembly. If the takedown lever is not in a vertical position, this slide will not go back on. And it doesn't matter how hard you push it, it's not going back on. That's about as far as you're going to get it. So what you need to do is you want to take the slide lock, push it straight up, and push this takedown lever straight down. If this slide lock is not activated, you will not be able to get that takedown lever back in place. So again, lift the slide lock, push the takedown lever forward, take your slide, slide it back on, and she's ready to go. If you notice, I do have the Foxtrot flashlight on my Sig P365, and I did do a review for that, and it's right here, so you can check that out. But that's it. Your gun's reassembled and you're good to go. Hey, hopefully that video of the reassembly of the Sig P365 was helpful to you. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on the Modern Defender. Stay safe out there, everybody.